I'm in the bathtub. You know, you just get in the bath and the water's so hot. Hi, guys. Welcome to my bathroom. Let me just roll this little piece. Okay, I don't know what that is doing. What is you doing? Oh, look at that. Oh, this is how people do that whole, you know, tub thing, like filming from the tub. Wait, I want you to see the tub a little bit. Okay, if I push you back, look at, oh, wow, that's cool. Okay, we're kicking this thing off with apartment stuff. What's new? What's happening with the apartment search? Let me tell you guys where I am. So, as you guys know, I live in New York City. And if you know anything about the New York City rental market, it is ridiculous, okay? It's so much nonsense, really. There are two pretty hard requirements that tenants have to uphold. What's the word? Have to meet. That's it, meet. The first one is you have to make 40 times your rent annually. And then the second one is, and I think the one that's a little bit more flexible, you have to have like a pretty good credit score. They like something like 700 and above. So yeah, those are the two things required, pretty much for you to have a easy apartment process. There are loopholes, I would say, especially in the current market, as it is a pandemic. Meaning, or at least what I'm seeing in New York City, is so many renters are deciding to leave, right? So everybody in New York City rents, like it's too expensive to freaking buy here. All these renters, they're moving out of the city. They're pushing towards the suburbs, New Jersey, areas where they can actually buy homes. So you have these big buildings, these apartment buildings, like one I actually live in, who's just losing units, meaning people are leaving, no one's filling them. So there's just so much supply right now, and you have landlords just trying to get, you know, anybody in. So I would say that made this thing a little bit more easier, a little bit more stress-free, as I feel that I have some negotiating power. Where am I? Have I found a building? Yes, I have. I found, oh my God, this is getting in my, wait a minute, hold up. Duh. So I found a building that I absolutely love. Just has everything that I want out of a space. Has a lot of the new things that I am now craving after living in New York for 2 years. Things should change. You should want to upgrade your space. I definitely do. So this is a building that has all those things that I want and feel like I need now. I'm just hoping that the price goes down. That's it. That's what I'm waiting. That is what I'm waiting for right now. Like, just knowing all the things just about the market. Like, the unit that I'm looking at has probably been on the market for over a week, and in New York that's rare, especially for these type of buildings. People pick them up so quickly. But this unit has not moved, nor has the price. And a lot of, oh my God, oh my God, it's in my eye again. I gotta get this off. Oh my gosh. What was I talking about? Oh, the unit. Nothing has changed over the last week. I just feel like I should wait it out. What do you guys think? That was such a good bath. And that was such a great sheet mask. Wait, let me show you guys what I've been doing recently after I take a sip of water, because doesn't the bath also make you pretty dehydrated? So after I use my sheet mask, like some type of brightening vitamin C sheet mask, apply a little bit of toner first. Wait a minute. Wait, that's too much, Morgan. I'm the girl that definitely likes to press toner in. Like so. But then let me show you what stills the show. Oh, first of all, it's the packaging. It's, come on, Focus, focus. This is the Shiseido, I always want to say Ultimate, but it's not Ultimate, Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. Now, she's not a necessary step, but she's a fun step that you can just work into your routine for an extra oomph, you know? So, as a concentrate, how you're going to, I just melted it in my hand, how you're going to work a concentrate in your routine, morning or night. You're going to take like 2 pumps is enough of this. Oh, I love this stuff. And you're actually going to apply this before your serum. That's what I've been doing. Sheet mask, toner, this concentrate, and then, I think I got it in my mouth. Then serum. I like to press this thing in my skin. So what this is going to do is basically give your serum or your moisturizer an added little boost. First way to do, whoa, oh, I told y'all, this is it. This is my new, oh my God. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. This is what is it? Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. But we're not just done yet, honey. Let me take a little serum. I'm gonna use a vitamin C serum. Just, see, it's crazy. Wow. Look. I mean, they both just melt together. Like the concentrate, one just melted itself into the skin. And the serum on top, I mean, it just applies so well. Look how these two work. Wow. Maybe, what if I send one of these to the agent? You think she'll give me the price that I want? Let me just seal with some moisturizer. Boom, not seal, but let me apply some moisturizer. Put that up. Okay, let's go with something a little light because I'm feeling light today. See, 100% encourage you all to just have some time for yourself in the morning. Like, this is what excites me. This is what gets my day going. Like, indulging in skincare first thing in the morning. Well, just indulging in myself, really. See, I took a bath. Man, it changes the game. It just changes my day, my spirit. Like, this is love.
Get my son into the best college.
You have successfully pre-qualified! Oh, no way! Oh my God, read that. You have successfully pre-qualified. Just come with me. It's the morning, guys, so just excuse just everything, what's happening. Yes! We got approved. This is just such a big deal to me because, y'all, 2 years ago, when Kristen and I were in the moving process, it was a shit show. It was a shit show because we were 2 young girls who definitely was making a good amount of money to qualify. So when you have a roommate, you get to join your incomes. So they took my income and Kristen's income and then used the multiplier. Where we fell short was our credit history. I was just getting out of college, like I didn't have any history. So no one was trying to accept us. And back then the market just wasn't the same. There wasn't so much supply, more demand. So these buildings could just say, yeah, no, easily. And then the next day they get another application. So, this is just huge. This is just huge. my first apartment by myself in New York City. Drink to that, sisters. I need to call my mom.